Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm going to be showing you the key indicators and how to confirm it, and also the difference between blocked versus unfriend. Okay, so key indicators of a block. Missing chat, that is number one. Let's say the conversation right here that you have is gone. Well, that means that you've been blocked. Also, when you go ahead and use the search bar right here at the top left, when you try and look for their name, well, it's non-existent. Well, that means you're blocked as well. Also, you won't see their Bitmoji, Snap Score, or stories in your feed. Their profile won't load and you will find a broken link. Well, that means you're blocked. Okay? Let's say you see them right here in your chat list, but when you go ahead and send a message, okay, or a snap, it will show as pending or failed to deliver. Unlike a simple deleted status where it might show a gray icon. Well, that means you're blocked. So how to confirm if you've been blocked, okay? Not like they just deactivated their account or deleted their account. So you could go ahead and ask a friend, okay? If you have a Snap friend, okay? You can go ahead and ask them to search for the name. And if the person sees it and you can't, well, you've been blocked. If you don't have any friends, well, you can go ahead and create an alternative account and see it to yourself. So the difference between blocked versus deleted or unfriended is that unfriended, you can usually still find their profile, but they might not get your messages if they have strict privacy settings and their name might still appear. So blocked right here, their account completely disappears from your view and search, and you can't interact with them at all. All right? And the other reason, they might have deleted their account. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.